So for today's tutorial, guys, I'm gonna show you on how you can show the map on your website using Google API. And if you're new to this channel, just click the bell button and subscribe. Thank you. So first of all, you're going to create a new file, an HTML file. And then after that, you're going to type in doc. And then something will show like this if you were using Visual Studio Code. And after that, you're going to create a div, a container for our map. And then let's give it an ID, map. And after that, type in script so we can use the JavaScript. So this is where you will paste the code of the Google map and go to Google, search for Google API, and then go to Google Cloud Platform. And after that, go to library. Just click in here the map JavaScript API. And then just enable it. And then wait for a second. And then after that, go to the credentials. Credentials. So before you create a API key, go first to Google and then search for Google Map API documentation and then click here Google Map platform. After that, go to documentation and click Map JavaScript API. And then click here, add map with a marker. And then after that, click JavaScript and copy this code. And go back to your HTML file and then paste it in here. And then after that, go scroll down and copy script, this script, and then copy it, and then put it in here in over the head. I mean inside the head. And then go back to your API key and then create credentials, API key. After you created it, just copy the API key, copy, and then close. And then after that, you're going to remove this and then paste the key in here. And then just show it with live server. As you can see guys, there's nothing in here. You're going to first go to style. You're going to style it. And then after that, just type in here the map. And then let's give it a width of 400, I think, px pixels, and then the height of 400 pixels also. And let's go back to the open with live server and let's check it if it shows. As you can see guys, it shows in here. So that's how you can show the map on your website.